Maovo makumacha kumangalikoni ya Mombasa Ovisa wa Uiiti Ukuu wa Myaka 31 Niwavikwa Kotini wa Mombasa Umuthi kwa Ivityo ya Kumukwatanga na Kumuwucha Muwau Sivitali ni wa Pandya Musyini wa Mombasa Dayas Njuma ni wawetwa kwithiwa atwaisye kikoki matuku 31 mwaini wa mbe mwaka ni valakoti wa Mombasa mbe wa musili wa makwani Alex Idhuku mwisililuo waliana na Ivityo ye ono uyo voko tusu ni wa muleta na mbondi ya silingi ngilimana 5 vala ekwani yake yekedhukiwa ingi matuku 11 mwaini wa keli Angelina Muse ni watumbanisia mauvu.
Mbe wa koti munene wa Mombasa Dayas Njuma ni wasome wa mavityo eliyivo ya kumuvucha Muwau kiokoni cha matuku 31 mwaini wa mbe Sivitali ni wa Pandya va kauntini ya Mombasa wala waliana na Ivityo ye
hajarudi ofisini kufanya reconciliation. So
Ivityo ye ingine ya siku itailitesa Kumukwatanga Muwau uvadhukonu na act ya awau na Ivityo itailiteka na Sexual Offence Act ya mwaka wa 2001.
On the 31st day of January this year, 2025, at around 5 a.m. at Pandya Hospital in Umuthi sub-county within Mombasa, you intentionally and unlawfully caused your penis to penetrate the vagina of an adult, one Margaret Tumaini Kahindi. At Pandya area in Umuthi sub-county within Mombasa County, you intentionally and unlawfully touched the breasts, buttocks, and vagina of one Margaret Tumaini Kahindi with your hand.
Mwisililo oni wa ila koti kumulecha kwa bond ainengana kitumi cha kwithwa na musivala musiliwa makwani kotini Alex Idhuku wa mulecha kwa bond ya silingi ngilimana 5 wanakwithwa ikwani yeye yito mono.
As a clinical officer in a specialty nephrology, I want to make this court to please them cash.
But as I've said, this offense is one that is bailable. And considering the law and circumstances of the case, I will admit the accused person to a bond of Kenya shillings 500,000 with one surety of similar amount. We will mention this matter on 17th of February before this court for pre-trial.
Wanavyovo ngaliko yosikata ni tongo ni Martin Bote mbe wa koti uni iwetete kana kulecho kwa bond kwe mwesililo uni kutonya usiyo kunekiliwa kikoki na kwithiwa mwesililo ekala nyumbani sia Adhuku Sivitali wa Pandya na kwithiwa ate vandu vangi ukwatikana va Mombasa ate omusi kwa Bungoma.
Serious offense that the accused person is charged with is facing. It is also one that is bailable. The only question or the main question I need to answer is whether the accused person will come to court when is required. On his part, he requests for cash pay. I've been told that he may be interdicted, he may also leave the jurisdiction or local jurisdiction of the courts. That for me is information that would have come by way of an affidavit sworn by the investigating officer or somebody who is authorized. A report by the probation people, while useful, may only maybe serve to indicate the kind of bond that I'll be granting.
Avidani kau ikundi ya fida Kenya nyawa tikana kufikia kusikata Sivitali wa Pandya kwa kulea kusesea na kuvudhisia Muwau kavindani kala na vikiselivoti tuna kukomana na kikoki vala ingi makulia mavalua manda kitali na nasi wavamwe na Ovisaa na alama na endhini wa Adhuku kavindani kau mavikie kuungamwa ngina ilo kunekiliwa ikwani hiyo kuvikia kodhela.
The Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council and the Nursing Council of Kenya must suspend the licenses of all those involved until complete investigations are concluded. If found guilty, we demand that KMPDC and NCK respectively deregister the doctor and nurses involved. In addition, as FIDA Kenya, we will file a civil suit against Pandya Memorial Hospital, Mombasa, and seek compensation for the survivor for gross negligence and failure to protect her.
So what we shall do as FIDA Kenya, Mombasa, is that we are going to offer both the legal representation to the client. We shall be watching brief. We're already on record in court. So we shall be watching brief in the matter until conclusion. And also we shall be offering the psychosocial support to the family and our client so that she's able also to articulate her matter very well in court.
Gilivoti ya vilingi wa Muwau kuma kauntini ya Mombasa, nita wa Angelina Mose.